Hello, hello. This is going to be a very weird way of this vlog. ये कैसा रहेगा is okay. Hold up. So the way this is going to be is that abhi it's actually I think 4 o'clock or something. Literally after half the day. So I'm going to be shooting half the day आज का और कल का first half of the day and that's going to be the vlog. और अभी हम कर रहे हैं something very important, which is हम मतलब me. What I'm doing right now is I'm exporting a vlog जो हमारे चैनल में आएगा. If you already know by now, I make videos and vlogs as well with my partner. So that is what I've edited and it's getting exported. उसके बाद I have छोटा मोटा काम which I'll continue doing as well as record. You know, आज धूप बहुत crazy है guys. The धूप, look at that, bro. Okay, you see that? What the? I'm not able to see shit, guys. Oh, that bird was that bird carried that main character energy. You know, one thing I want to learn while I vlog, if many of you would have already noticed, I eat up my words, bro. And that is, I think, it's a problem that I should have handled way earlier in life. So one thing I wanna learn is either talk slow, at the same time, talk with clarity. You would have noticed by now that that I talk very fast and I eat up the words. So yeah, that is one thing It's just a general skill I'm trying to get better at. Talking, yeah, talking. That's the skill I want to get better at. To freaking talk properly. That is almost at half, if it's visible. Half हो रखा है. I had already exported one video file of the edited version. उसमें ना बहुत noise था on the video. It was very grainy. So I think I messed up with the export settings. So I did a little R&D and I've put up something now. So let's see how this will come out.
2 hours later.
Okay. So the video is out. यानी मैंने export किया. To be very honest with you, it still had the same issue. Maybe I'm doing something wrong which I'm not understanding. या तो the few shots that we've taken in that vlog, light ऐसा है थोड़ा, and हमने back camera से लिया. Ironically, the back camera is giving out pretty bad quality for some reason, or I don't know, I feel like I'm somehow still messing up the exporting thing, but we'll see. Manage हो जाएगा. अभी वो export किया था, so I've uploaded that. I think I'll show it here. This vlog will be probably 3-4 days after that vlog is out. So yeah, check it out. It's like a random good fun day we had. कुछ shoots किए, कुछ random बातें. बहुत छोटा है vlog है, मतलब not too long either. Under 7 minutes. So yeah, check it out and yeah, I just wanted to tell that. For now though, I think I might just chill for now. देखता हूँ या तो एक और shoot करनी है for my Instagram. I think I'll shoot that. Oh हाँ, तो बताना भूल गया कि because I told no वो issue kind of persistent था. Like I was not able to understand what's up. अभी फिर से मैं export के लिए रखा हूँ. This is the third export, but yeah, I just wanted to check कि क्या scene है. This is another export. We'll see. I've done little few export setting changes.
11 minutes later.
तो अभी मैंने सिंपल सा एक वीडियो शूट किया, ठीक है, for my page. I just want to show you how it looks. You see that? वो थोड़ा खराब है, but look at this aesthetic, really aesthetic. Look at this aesthetic. You see that? मैं ऐसे सेंटर में खड़ा होता हूँ. I just wanted to show you guys that मैंने कुछ 10 सेकंड 15 सेकंड का एक वीडियो शूट किया. So that is what I'm going to edit now and then post it on my page and on my YouTube, which is going to come here. I'll just go down, have some snacks, and then I'll be back and I'll get on with work and I'll see you guys. I really feel like I need to take bath. My head is spinning because I'd been out the first half of the day and I came back and I wanted to take bath then itself, but then I had a little work. So now I'll do little workout, very little, 15-20 minutes max. I shall then go take bath, come back, continue editing, or I'll do something on the laptop, and yeah.
20 minutes later.
I think I'm not sure if it's because of the workout or because मैंने while vlogging राइट हाथ से ऐसे पकड़ा था फ़ोन को, बट ये जो शोल्डर है जॉइंट, दिस एरिया, आई वुड से नॉट जॉइंट स्पेसिफिकली, ये दुख रहा है. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट द रीज़न इज़. शायद वो आई लुक लाइक अ फूल. थोड़ा सा दर्द हो रहा है. पॉइंट इज़ आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज मे बी कि मैं फ़ोन को ऐसा पकड़ा, नॉट यूज्ड टू दिस राइट, मतलब दोनों मिला के भी वो कुछ स्ट्रेन लग गया होगा. सो yeah, but whatever, I'm done with my shower and now I will do some work, probably chill first or something, have dinner at the same time. Yeah, that's pretty much what's left for now. Actually that's it for now, for today, because it's already 9:30, 10, and kal ka plan tha ek, actually seems like now it won't be the plan, so we'll see. I'll let you know in the morning, so see you in the morning.
The next morning.
Hello. Morning, it is. Woke up late. I just got freshened up, but for now, I'll go down, drink some warm water, have breakfast, wait for my partner to arrive. She's gonna come any minute now. But hey, good morning. So, breakfast is done. And
उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूं.
जो मेरा Instagram अकाउंट था उसको हमने चेंज कर लिया, which I think I'll put it up here or I'll let you guys know about it
Also we hit 5,700 followers.
on Instagram.
उधर लिख लो, ऊपर डाल दो.
Oh yes, you'll find it linked and you can see it here as well. So guys, as I was mentioning, अभी इसका शूट करेंगे, जो भी इसका शूट है, जो भी ये चैलेंज रखी है, which obviously she herself will explain to you all. So tell the audience what your challenges.
अब जाके मुझे फॉलो करना. He will tag you.
He will tag you.
He will tag me.
I will tag them. Guys, I will tag all of you. All 28 of you. हाँ वैसे भी I have 28 subscribers now. Thank you.
He will tag me.
She basically guys, her look is कौन है वो?
अंजलि.
अंजलि from K3G. That is her look. वो एक सीन आता है जो अगेन I will not tell, क्योंकि सस्पेंस रहना चाहिए ना थोड़ा जिंदगी में. अभी हम ये इसका शूट करेंगे, फिर we ordered California burrito. हम वो भी थोड़ा खा लेंगे our lunch. I think yeah, that will probably be it where this vlog will stop. So basically her जो शूट करना था डन है. Now we're having some good food from California burrito. She shot like 2-3 videos मतलब already. It's good. तो वो आएगा धीरे धीरे करके. By the time this vlog is out, 1-2 वीडियो तो आए होंगे. I'll see you guys soon, yeah.
Bye.